Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating BCPO dance troupe. Ngayon naman po, pakinggan po natin ang mensahe ng ating Chief Regional Staff ng Police Regional Office, Cordillera Administrative Region, Colonel Julio Lizardo, sir.
Thank you very much, MC. Sa ating butihing mayor na iniidolo ng hindi lang taga BCPO, kundi ang the whole Philippine National Police. Isa akong naging boss at napakagaling. Sana ay tuloy-tuloy po ang ating paglilingkod dito sa Baguio. Kay Pastor Buwas at sa ating BCPO Director. No? Thank you very much for initiating this activity. The true essence of freedom ay pinapakita natin sa ating mga taga-Baguio. Sa ating lahat na nandito, isang malamig pero may napakainit na kape doon. Magkape muna tayo or habang nanonood, magkape tayo. Parehas kami kay Director na medyo mahirap mag-Tagalog. Anyway, ang aming Regional Director, si Police Brigadier General David K. Peredo Jr. ay siya sana ang nandito pero pagpaumingahan natin at may ibang activity na kanyang dinaluhan tungkol din sa ating kalayaan. Isang maalab na pagbati para sa ating lahat sa ating paggunita ng ika-126 na araw ng kasarinlan ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Bago ang lahat, ating bigyang pugay ang katapangan at kabayanihan ng ating mga bayani at mga ninuno na walang sawang lumaban upang makamit ang kalayaan ng ating bayan. With the team Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kayusan, we are gathered here today to commemorate our Independence Day as we strengthen our sense of nationalism and remind every Filipino of the value of our freedom and democracy. Looking back, our ancestors have shed their sweat, tears, and blood, fighting firm and hard in the battle against foreign invaders so that we may achieve our liberty and freedom. Their sacrifices laid the foundation of the nation we proudly call our own. Throughout our history, we Filipinos have endured through various trials and tribulations with unwavering courage and determination. We have survived wars, economic crises, and natural disasters that tested us, our resilience, and each time we emerged stronger, more united, and more determined to build a better future. Our past has taught us that no challenge is insurmountable when we stand together, guided by the spirit of nationalism and the strength of our unity. Moving forward, let us continue to honor the legacy of our ancestors by embodying the values, the fought for freedom, resiliency, and unity. The Police Regional Office, Cordillera Administrative Region stands united with you, our Kakailians, because together we can surmount any challenge and achieve greatness as we continue to wave the beautiful tapestry of our nation's future, ensuring that the liberty and strength bequeathed to us are passed on to the generation that follows. Our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General David K. Peredo Jr., with all the officers, the men and women of Police Regional Office, Cordillera Administrative Region, Police Force, will stand before you today with a heartfelt appeal. As we are all part of this community, let us work hand in hand to maintain peace and order of our region. The peace and order we cherish are not merely the responsibility of law enforcement, they are the collective endeavor. Our collaborative effort is essential so that may we achieve the goals we are all aspire. It all through unity and cooperation that we can ensure a safe and thriving environment for everyone. Let us always remember our welfare is everybody's concern. When we work together, we create a network of support and resilience that strengthens our community. By standing together, we send a powerful message that we will not tolerate activities that threaten our peace and freedom. Together, we can build a community that not only survives but thrives, where our freedom is protected and our future is secured. As we gathered for this Music Kalayan 2024, let us always be reminded of the value of freedom and democracy as we strengthen our sense of nationalism, united in rallying for the peace and sovereignty of our nation. Muli, isang mapagpalang hapon po sa ating lahat. Lagi po nating tandaan, sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka. Mabuhay ang Cordillera, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Maraming